Green card holders, here are your rights to know if you're traveling at the airport, entering the United States or leaving the United States. I'm hearing so many reports, news reports talking about green card holders being detained while entering the United States, arrested by ICE, CBP, and so forth. This is everything you need to know to protect yourself when you're entering the United States and also leaving the United States. All right, so let's talk about this. Green card holders are known as legal permanent residents. They're in the United States. They have the right to be here. They have permanent resident status. They have certain privileges, such as being able to work, pay taxes. They cannot vote. That's something really important. Don't do that. All right. Now, the other thing that's important is that green card holders, legal permanent residents, have to be really careful about criminal issues, because there was a green card holder that was detained at Logan International Airport in Boston because of a criminal issue that he had. He was arrested and detained, and they're trying to fight his case and get him, out of the immigration process and so forth. So that's probably the number one reason that green card holders are going to be detained at the airport. So if you're somebody who has a criminal issue, meaning an open criminal issue, do not travel. If you're somebody who has a serious criminal issue, felony, some sort of aggravated felony, do not travel, because that can put you at risk. All right. And that's really critical. Now, if you're somebody who has an open criminal issue, I would advise you not to travel, fight the case, get it dismissed, make sure you have proof of dismissal, and then talk to an attorney about whether you should travel or not travel. Because depending on what your circumstances are, you may have a probationary period and other things like that. They may tell you don't travel until all that is done. All right. Ultimately, we want those people to apply for U.S. citizenship, because that's the only way to really protect yourself from being detained at the airport. All right. Now, other people that have quasi issues related to, let's say, violations or other things like that, be careful for green card holders, because right now they're making a lot of mistakes at the airport. There was an innocent person who had TPS or so, and he was deported because of some mix-up. I wouldn't trust immigration authorities at the airport. So generally speaking, if you're a green card holder and you've got some of those issues, make sure you carry that documentation with you. Make sure you have a friend, a family member, somebody you can trust to call on to help you on that as well. All right. So those are the big things. Now, leaving the United States, don't leave for more than 6 months. All right, guys. Thank you.